Hello and welcome to Indonesia. If you are watching this, change, or you have just arrived at Soekarno Hatta International Airport and are ready to begin your journey at Universitas Islam Internasional Indonesia. Whether this is your first time visiting Indonesia or your first international trip, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we will show you 3 different ways to travel from the airport to UIII dormitory. We will explain what you need to prepare, how much it costs, and which option is best for you. Before you exit to the arrival hall, here's one important reminder. If you are bringing a mobile phone from overseas and plan to use an Indonesian SIM card during your stay, don't forget to register your phone's IMEI at the custom counter. You will find the IMEI registration counter in the customs area before entering the arrival hall. The process only takes a few minutes, and completing it now can help ensure your phones work properly with Indonesian mobile networks during your stay. Once you have completed the registration, you can continue to the arrival hall and follow the rest of this guide. Before heading to UIII, here are a few things we recommend preparing. First, make sure you have some Indonesian rupiah, either by exchanging your currency or withdrawing a cash from an ATM. Next, buy a local SIM card with an internet package. Having internet access will make it much easier to book transportation and use navigation apps. Finally, save the UIII dormitory address on your phone. Now, let's explore your transportation options. If you are in a group up to 3 persons and carrying several suitcases, or simply want the easiest and most comfortable option, this is the one we recommend. Once you exit the arrival hall, walk outside for about 100 meters. You will find many online transportation services such as Gojek, Grab, Gamma, Bluebirds, and others. Head to the pickup point and tell the staff that you are going to Universitas Islam Internasional Indonesia dormitory in Depok. The journey usually takes about 1 hour and a half, depending on traffic. The estimated fare ranges from approximately 400,000 rupiah to 500,000 rupiah, depending on the vehicle type and traffic conditions. This option is available 24 hours a day, making it the best choice if your flights arrive late at night or early in the morning. If convenience is your priority, this is definitely the easiest way to reach UIII. If you are looking for a more affordable option while still having enough space for your luggage, the airport bus is a great choice. First, head to the airport bus area located outside the arrival terminal. Depending on your terminal, you will find bus services at the designated airport transportation shelters. You can purchase your ticket at the ticket machine and pay using your credit or debit card. Pick Hiba Utama Bus Operator to travel toward Terminal Depot. Enter the number of passengers and the appropriate departure time. Then, fill in your personal information, including name, email, phone number, and number of bags. After purchasing with a debit or credit card, you will receive your ticket. Once you have your ticket, scan it at the ticket gate and enter through the access gate next to the ticket machine. Then, wait at the designated boarding area until your bus arrives according to your scheduled departure time. After getting off at Terminal Depok, continue your journey using Biskita or an online ride to reach the UIII dormitory. The total travel time is usually between 1.5 until 2 hours, depending on traffic. This option costs around 100,000 rupiah for the bus, plus the ride to the dormitory. It is an excellent balance between comfort and affordability. If you are traveling on a budget and don't mind transferring between stations, the airport train is the most economical option. First, make your way to the airport train station by taking the Free Sky train located on the upper level of the airport. Once you arrive at the airport train station, follow the directional signs as shown in the video to the ticket vending machines located downstairs. At the ticket vending machine, select Manggarai Station as your destination. Then, enter the number of passengers and choose your preferred departure time. After that, enter your phone number and complete the payment using a debit or credit card. Once your payment is successful, your ticket will be issued. You can wait in the waiting area next to the ticket vending machines until your train is ready for boarding. Please pay attention to the announcements as your departure time approaches. After arriving at Manggarai Station, follow the signs to transfer to the commuter line. Next, ask the station staff located near the ticket vending machines to help you purchase a multi-trip card to Depok Baru Station. Then, follow the signs to board the commuter line train bound for Depok. Once you arrive at Depok Baru Station, turn left and head toward the exit gate leading to Jalan Margonda Raya. If you plan to continue your journey to UIII by Biskita, make sure to purchase an e-money card at Alfamart or Indomaret before leaving the station. If you are using another mode of transportation, you may proceed directly to the exit. If you are continuing your journey by Biskita, follow the directions shown in the video. Have your e-money card ready and tap it when boarding the bus. Then, get off at Pakapuran 2 bus stop, which is located directly in front of the UIII main gate. From the main gate, turn left and walk approximately 1.5 kilometers to reach the student dormitory. Welcome to your new home. We hope this guide makes your first journey in Indonesia smoother and less stressful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and share it with your fellow UIII students. If you have any questions before arriving at the UIII, feel free to contact the Office for Student Affairs and International Services. We look forward to welcoming you to UIII. See you on campus!